Channels like Chicken Ones do go viral, but when it comes to earning and long-term growth, you get nothing in return. So why not create a channel that not only gets views but also gives you real benefits in the future? And this idea isn't just interesting, it's evergreen. I'm talking about an animated channel where fruits and vegetables talk about themselves in a fun cartoon style. You'll get funny dialogues, health tips, easy recipes, and entertaining stories all in one place. And the best part, this channel's content will never run out. Fruits, veggies, herbs, their combinations, benefits, new scripts, a new topic, and a story every single day. This channel will become everyone's favorite from little kids to adults who want to stay healthy. So let's start something that's not just go viral but valuable too. So to make such a video, first of all, I need a script. And to create the script, I'll use GPT. So for this, I'll give a simple prompt. Give me a short paragraph where Dash is talking about itself, include 2 to 3 easy ways to eat it, and explain the benefits in simple, friendly language. So here you can put the name of any fruit or vegetable in place of Dash, like strawberry, mango, carrot, etc. So for example, I write strawberry. So when you enter this prompt, you will see that we get a short paragraph. So if you like it, you can use it as it is, or else you can edit it or regenerate it again. So now it's time for image generation. For this, I'll also use GPT, and here I'll give another prompt. Give me image generation prompts for each scene of this story based on Dash, speaking in a friendly cartoon style. Keep the character consistent in all prompts. Do not include any text in the image. Here in place of Dash, I'll put the same fruit or vegetable used in the story like a strawberry. As soon as I enter this prompt, you can see that I get different image generation prompts for each scene. Now in the next step, you can put these prompts into different AI tools to generate images. As always, I'll tell you to use multiple tools so you can get the best results. So I'll enter all the prompts one by one, generate the images. Those will be in 9:16 ratio because we are making YouTube Shorts. So you can see all my images have been generated. If you are using Meta AI, then you can also animate the images right there. So I've already told you many times that you can animate your images there. As you can see, I've animated my images right there. But if I need to use another website, I'll go with RenderML. So first we'll go to image to video and upload our image there. Then we'll copy and paste the same image generation prompt that GPT gave us. Select the 9:16 ratio and hit generate. And you can see how amazing the video turned out. Now just download it and in the same way create all your videos one by one. And now let's move on to our voiceover. So for voiceover, I'm using 11 Labs. So simply we'll paste our script here, select a good voice and generate our voiceover.
This can exist only in acceptance.
So our voiceover is also generated, videos are ready. Now let's move to the final step, merging all the things together to make our final video ready. So you can see that I've imported all the videos and the voiceover into my editing tool, keeping the video aspect ratio 9:16. First, I'll add the voiceover to the timeline. Based on the voiceover, I know which scenes I have generated as videos, so I'll arrange them accordingly. And that's it. There's no need to add anything else into this video. It's already so bright and colorful that we don't need to add any extra effects or transitions because as you know, less is more. So I'll simply export it. So if you're using CapCut, you can add auto-generated captions directly there. I'm not using it, so I'll add subtitles separately using the online CapCut and then export the video. So my video is ready. Let's come and see the final result.
Hi there! I'm Strawberry, bright red, super sweet, and full of juicy goodness. If you freeze me and eat me cold, your skin will glow and you'll feel super refreshed. Blend me with banana and oats, and I'll give your mornings a powerful, healthy start. Dip me in dark chocolate just a little. Your heart will say thank you. Toss me into a salad with spinach and walnuts. Boom! Your immunity and brain will get a tasty boost. See, I'm not just a treat. I'm your fruity best friend.
So you just saw how amazing the video turned out. And believe me, this was just half an hour's work. Just wrote the script, generated images, added voiceover, and the video was done. It's that simple. Now you tell me, if you made a video like this, which fruit or vegetable would you choose? Pineapple or carrot? Make sure to write your favorite in the comments. And if you like this idea, please give a like and subscribe to the channel, because here content will never run out. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.